Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, this time one of my favorite brands, Citizen. And this Citizen caught my eye when I was browsing on Amazon, and I thought, that's an interesting watch that I would like to check out, and maybe somebody else thought the same thing. So hopefully my video helps you in taking the decision on buying or not buying. I usually do an unboxing, quick first impression, and either I do a full review on video or a 60 seconds review video where I just sum up my experience with the watch, and even sometimes I compare it to other watches. Like for instance, if I'm talking about Citizen Eco-Drive watches, I could compare it to other Casio Eco-Drive watches. I'm sorry, Citizen. Yeah, maybe I need to drink one more coffee. Sunday always need a couple of coffees to get into the groove. So, why did I choose the Citizen? First off, the reference number is 320238842. But I think the more important one is the AW1750-85E. I'll leave all the details in the description below. And I bought it because of this case shape. So if you know me, I have this case shape from the Citizen Eco-Drive, and I have this one. And if you look at it quite closely, it's like amalgamation of both cases, of course, without this bezel as well, but has really a cool case shape, and the dial looks also really nice. It has like a linear, like a guilloche actually, like a Côte de Genève lines dial, which looks quite nice. Dated the 6 o'clock, take it or leave it, but for a daily wearer, that 100 meters of water resistance, a date is always a good thing for people who want to have only one watch. So the case is 42 millimeters in diameter. It is 49 lug to lug, thickness around 11, and lug width, I think it's 22 millimeters. On the supplied bracelet, which is hollow link stamped clasp, 126 grams, and you might know what's coming next. I'll take this bracelet off and put it on a strap that I can wear it with. So I thought this would be the perfect strap to showcase the watch, and this is a sailcloth strap from Artem, and I think with the black dial it just gives it really nice look. The Citizen. So I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and this is how it looks on my wrist. Side view, frontal view, Eco-Drive watch, like I said. So I really think this watch is very interesting, especially the case shape, and I should make actually a video on this idea about having expensive straps on affordable watches, because this watch is 150 euros and this strap is 180 euros. So the strap is even more expensive than the watch, but as you can see, the combination of both, it just looks really good. And I know not everybody will be able to afford these kinds of straps if they're buying these kind of watches, but it's a way of thinking. If you have one strap that elevates several of your watches, then I think it pushes the whole idea about wearing watches forward. But let me know in the comment section if you're interested in a video like this, where I put cheap or affordable watches on more expensive straps, like these two for instance, which I think I will be comparing them together, except that this one has mineral and this one has sapphire, but this one has solar and this one has normal quartz. So you have small changes in this segment in the under 150 or up to 150 that is definitely very interesting. So that's about it. I'm really enjoying this dial, how it plays with the light. Anyways, so if you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. You'll find the button here, and you might find these two videos also interesting for you. And hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.